I want the children to know that there is hope for them, that if they work hard and they strive to do their best, there is a future for them. Sometimes here we take it for granted that we can go to school, we can get a good education, and there's open competition. But those things we can't take for granted in other parts of the world. The very act of going to a good school that will allow you the foundation to go to a university is something that they value and something that is not achievable or attainable so easily for them. I look at it from a donor standpoint, and the work that we're able to do with Catholic World Mission and also our donors, we're leaving legacies here. We're leaving legacies that will last a generation and multiple generations to come. We're allowing people to have hope and to be able to have a future so they can help themselves. And I've seen that model work. We started with 2 classrooms, 15 students, to 37 schools now around the world, 21,000 graduates of all professions, helping their communities back. So it's a help that lasts forever. It's a legacy that we leave. It's a legacy we leave behind. After my recent trip to visit the schools in Mexico, I saw so much success, yet still so much need. In Nasima, the school is desperately in need of security fencing to keep out gangs that vandalize and destroy the property nearly every night. In some of our schools, nearly 1,000 kids use 1 or 2 bathroom facilities, and some schools still need running water and electricity wired to the classrooms. I want our Catholic World Mission donors to know how much they have impacted the lives of so many children, changed their lives, not only their lives, but the whole family. They've impacted them for generations to come. You change the life of one child by giving them an integral education. You change the future of that one child. You change the future of the entire family. You change the future of the community. And before you know it, you've changed the future of the world.